Hey, and welcome back to Everything Windows. In this video, I'll upgrade Windows in an unintentional way. Is it able to travel through the old version of Windows, or just another way to destroy the OS? Keep watching to find out. Okay, so here we are in front of VMware Workstation 16, installing Windows NT 3.51 to Windows XP to Server 2003 and to XP and then back to Windows 7. How is this experiment possible? Thanks to Skye, who uploaded the video about unlocking Windows upgrade path. So this video is actually talking about how you can install Microsoft Windows throughout any version, or almost any version, with a lot of caveats and configuration and tinkerings, as you see right there. Windows 3.51 to Windows XP, Windows XP to Windows Server 2003, 2003 to Windows XP, and XP to Windows 7. So I'm about to install up to Windows 7. I can't install from Windows 7 to Windows 11 because at the moment I don't know how to convert a 32-bit operating system to 64-bit operating system, because as far as I know it isn't possible. Well, we just take a look at what they make the video right here. So a lot of steps is already about to begin, as you see in the video. A lot of things that I have to done in order to get it accomplished. But what this started, it started from this thread on betaarchive.com or .co.uk, as you want, whatever you want to prefer. So right here is how to upgrade from Windows NT 3.51 to Windows XP. There's a lot of things that you can see, and it is complicated and TLDR-ish. So I just wanna demo it from Windows 3.51 to Windows XP right now. We're gonna close this, and we're about to install Windows NT 3.51. So right now we're going to, of course, enter and then custom and continue, as you see. But probably I'll just time-lapse this or gonna skip it. So here we are in the Windows NT Workstation version 3.51 login screen. And then there we are. And maybe we just, before going to upgrade, maybe we can go and write a file testing upgrade NT 3.51. Just the usual upgrading Windows video on YouTube. We will save it in C, then name it as upgrade, and then close it. Of course, we're just gonna test some program. Clock already good. Calculator 55.5 times 12 equals 666, and close it anyway. So right here we're going to close VMware, and then we head over to my real Windows 10 machine to set up how to make Windows XP installed from Windows NT 3.51. So here we are finally in my real machine. Just to keep things clear, we have to modify Windows XP ISO in order to get it working to upgrade from Windows NT 3.51. So I'm gonna just extract it from, of course, WinRAR. I use 7-zip and I use Ultra ISO, but I don't think I just want to use that right now in order to make it fast. Okay, so it is finished. I'm going to copy all the assets, this modified Windows XP upgrade file, or some of the Windows files. So we're going to paste it in here, and then it will show up the copying files, and then replace. So going to NT Lite, then going to browse, okay, and then going to get yes, Windows XP, then next, okay, next, and then make it bootable, next, and then make the ISO WinLite ISO, save, and then it will make the ISO, the modified one. Now it is finished. Going to next and finish, and then we're going to VMware again, to CD settings, and right now we're going to browse, okay, then going to accessories, Oh no, there is no. I thought that it's in there. Go to main file manager. Yeah, that's what I want. Going to the drive D. Going to i386. Going to Windows NT 3.5. It'll load. And then there it is. Windows XP Setup Wizard. So this is the modified, and I'm surprised that it is working. So of course, accept the agreement. Setup is copying files. This is not really usual, as you see in the Windows XP installation thingy. Until restart, finished. It'll restart. Please wait, because Windows NT operating system is not. Oh yeah, I think it's there. Professional setup is inspecting. Starting with the setup as usual. I'm going to wait it to load. Could not be found. Setup failed. Press any key to restart your computer. So it eventually failed for some reason. What? Alright, so I might have just changed it from the Service Pack 3 to the original one, the OG, the Service Pack 0, perhaps. I'll be right back when it is eventually ready. Oh, what? Files missing again? What? Gosh, this is second attempt. Yeah. I don't know what to do now. Maybe I could have just getting help. Maybe. Probably I will stop the recording right now and I'll record it again once this is working.
The next day.
Okay, just 1 day after that chaotic event occurred. So right now, I repeated the same step for the already new, this one, Windows NT 3.5. That's right there. We're going all over again with this kind of stuff. Going to next, and then I'm gonna insert the product key, but I'm gonna skip it anyway. Alright, so it is already been proceed, just like what I expected. So I'm gonna wait until it asks me to restart. Alright, so it asks me to restart. Then it will restart. Shutdown in progress. And let's see if it boots to the Windows XP setup. I don't want to press enter because it'll already just adjusted to that. Setup is preparing. Starting Windows setup. Oh boy, I hope this will gonna work. Oh yes! Yes, it works! Oh goodness sake! It works! It works! Oh yes! Even though it's 16-bit, that's okay. That's pretty much okay because it is from NT 3.51, so normal. And I'm gonna inform you when it is into the OBE. OBE is here. Alright, just gonna go next. Not now, of course, because I don't really want that at this time. Thank you. It didn't ask me to make a new user. And of course, that might be true. The user account, the Ewin, is still there. But it just added the chess user profile picture. Oh goodness. Alright, so it is here. Maybe we can maximize it. Make it full screen. No, I don't have VMware to install, so I'm not gonna install VMware tools as of now because I don't really need it. Because if you upgrade, then it wouldn't be a good idea if you install VMware tools. It'll struggle throughout all versions of Windows. Alright, so it's there. Moving recycle bin to what it was meant to be. Type C, show contents, upgrade. Yes, the file's still there. Windows XP Service Pack 2. So it works on Windows XP Service Pack 2. And I've tried version I don't know if it is very specific into Windows XP Service Pack 2 or just my mistake. I don't know. Maybe we can look at some programs that are in here. Accessibility, so the same. Communications, entertainment, system tools, address book, card file is still there. So testing, I don't know. Yeah, it's still there. No, I don't want to change that. Accessories, clock. The old clock is the modification that are from the previous version. What? It is saved. Goodness. Can I resize that to something like this? No, it's too general. We can do this, yes. Maybe. Yeah, that'll be okay. Because we're gonna check it through the version 2003. Object Packager is still there. Paint, still. Applications, QBasic. Oh, the one from JAWS that are still here. Oh, goodness. Oh, wow. Games is the same. Main, Mail, and Schedule Plus. Oh, yes. Now, we're going to copy some files from Windows 10 into here while I'm upgrading some stuff. So I'll be back later. Alright, so I copied the file. And then we probably upgrade the memory, the RAM, because we're gonna install Windows Server 2003. And the processor probably will upgrade it to dual core, because why not? And then we're going to modify this to Windows XP Professional. How are still the same? No, I don't want to do quad core. No. Just dual core right now. I'm going to power on this virtual machine while modifying the firmware. Enter the setup, and then, well, I set up this before off screen, the multiprocessor. So Windows NT 3.51 doesn't support multiprocessor specification 1.4. Instead, it'll support 1.1. Also, installed OS has to be Win95 for, of course, the Windows NT 3.1. Otherwise, it won't gonna work. So I'll put the state back where it was meant to be. Now we're just gonna wait Windows Server 2003 to load. Checking files? No. Why would you ask that? Why? I don't really modify most of the files instead of just copying files, because I can't do that without VMware tools where I could just grab, like, drag and drop easily. Putting my password. The startup sound is there. Taskbar is still loading, and it's loaded. Going to start. Okay, the take two of Windows XP is there. Going to my computer. It's still a bit loading. Is it really meant to be laggy? No, I don't really think so. Maybe. Alright, so I want to do something. You have to kill WPA, Windows Product Activation, of course, in order to get it to proceed until version Server 2003. And I won't gonna be showing to you how, because it would make me in trouble, like the community guidelines strike or whatnot. I don't want to make into that. Or what? Yes, because it is multi-core now. So I won't gonna tell you how I disabled the WPA, nor that I want to show you what programs that I use. You have to look for yourself throughout the internet, and Skye also does that too in their video, and they didn't show how to, because it will gonna make them in trouble also, and I don't want that either, because I just do an experiment and tell you, just if you want to follow this as a how-to or step-to-step tutorial, I recommend you probably don't do something like me, because as you see in yesterday, I just did so many mistakes. So I will kill the WPA and I'll be back to you later. So I'm back after disabling the WPA, and we're gonna convert this first from Windows XP to Windows Server 2003 in the background, not just the appearance. But first, we have to get this into the classic, because as you know, Windows Server 2003 doesn't have themed servers up by default. So it's in classic now, and we're gonna install some software. Application Verifier 4.0. We're gonna install this first, of course, and click next, because this plays some of the important part of upgrading this to Windows Server 2003. So we're gonna wait this until it's installed, creating shortcuts and whatnot. Finish. Then this is the next step. Going to tweak NT, and here we want to convert this to server, and then standard, and then apply. I hope this will be a success. If I didn't success, then I have to use Skye's XP Delta installation to get it work. Right, so I'm gonna click yes. You must boot immediately, and blah 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 blah. Click OK. I hope this will work, and I'm gonna hope. If this won't gonna work, then I'll have to reinstall this, and you have to skip 15 minutes of my miserable. Yes! Yes! Windows Server family, it is a success! What am I seeing? Yes! It is Windows Server to the... Yeah, because... Okay. Alright, so the login screen is still there, and here is what I presume is the configure your server. Alright, so I'm getting too excited about this. So, after we convert it to this, well, we're gonna win the first facts. It still says Windows XP Professional. Oh goodness, the X button is not that working. So we're gonna insert Windows Server 2003 ISO. Okay, we are back, and now what we're about to do is we're going to my documents. Alright, so we're going to the UI is a bit glitching now. Setup 2003, because we're gonna copy all contents. Alright, so maybe the CD hasn't been connected properly. Yes, that's what I expected. I'm gonna refresh this. No? Is it working? The VM is freezing. Windows has installed. What the heck? No, hell. Oh, yes. Maybe it is configuring with the multiprocessor stuff, because the only thing that requires me to restart as far as I'm using Windows throughout my life is only the processor, because processor plays a huge part, because it's like brain, you know. Alright, so we're going to copy all the setup files. Going to explore, Control C, and we're going to my documents, setup 2003, Control V, and it will copy. The file has been copied. I'm going to i386. I'm gonna close. The UI is still glitching like nuts. WinNT32. I'm gonna right click. No. We have to go to Application Verifier. That's down there. Yes. Image name. File. add application, going to computer. Oh no, my documents, setup 2003, i386, WinNT32. And we're going to compatibility, high version lie, verify stop options. Oh no, I do it wrong. Properties, main. So we have to lie, yes, as described in the string name, we have to lie that this is, yes. So you have to run this like this version, the beta version, mate. So this will gonna work for the most case. Why did I have to like? Alright, right click, parent install, and then we're gonna load. Oh, what? What? What have I done? Do I did something wrong again? 5.2.3718. That's not wrong. That's not wrong. Alright, attempt number 3. Oh goodness. Oh. Why? Ugh. What have I done? What have I done? It still doesn't want to do it. Oh gosh. Why? Why? Alright, so I gave up upgrading to Windows Server 2003 because I don't know why I can't. Maybe I am using Service Pack 1 and Skye demonstrated maybe the vanilla Windows Server 2003 without any Service Pack. Perhaps. So right now, we're just gonna jump in to upgrade to Windows 7. And this is how to. So we were gonna copy all of the files from Windows Vista's ISO. You know, it's a bit weird, but we're gonna copy all of the files from Windows Vista's ISO so that, well, you can't directly upgrade to Windows 7 using Windows 7's ISO. So we make a workaround to use Windows Vista's kind of stuff, and going there with this, using Windows Vista's upgrade program, we can upgrade to Windows 7 directly. And also I forgot to mention that we could have just make the sources folder. We create new and then folder sources. Yes, I hope it will be the same, and copy all of this except these one. We're going to copy this Windows 7 sources, and then it will copy easily without any distraction or without any issues whatsoever. So right now we're going to go mount up to my computer, and it will finish in a few seconds. Yes, it is. And then we're gonna insert Windows 7 Ultimate's ISO. Alright, so we have Windows 7 ISO in here, and then I'm going to go to Explore. And why is it to my computers? Alright, I'm gonna close it, and then we're going to Sources, and we copy all of the Windows 7 stuff. Yes, gonna copy this into the Sources folder. Yes, and I assume this is over. Yes, it is only 2 gigabytes, but it took about 3 minutes according to the copy dialog, but we're gonna skip it. It has been copied. Oh, I hope it won't gonna mess up like nuts. Alright, so we're going to set up Windows Vista. Install now. Please wait. Alright, so do not get the latest update, and then we don't have to get a product key inserted right now because Windows Vista has the exception to not get product key inserted right in the setup, and it'll just bypassed it anyway. See? Okay, so this clarifies that this is Windows 7. So Windows 7 Ultimate, Starter, and we're gonna install Ultimate, of course. I have selected the edition of Windows that I purchased. And then going to next. I accept the license terms. Next. You must rename or remove C users before upgrade continues. Is that already there? Oh, come on, haha. Yes, I would like to delete that right now. Next. Oh, you must... I hope it will be... Maybe we can go to professional and then it will reset the stuff. Make sure all... Yes. Oh no. We're going to restart the thing again. Yes! Yes! Now it has the option to upgrade. Great! We're going to directly upgrade. Checking compatibility. Of course, it will be compatible with Windows 7. Just trust me. Potential issues. Click here for more information. Yeah, the drivers won't gonna be installed. That's okay. Going to upgrade directly into Windows 7, and I will tell you later when it is in the second or the third phase of the setup. So there we are. The Windows 7 boot screen finally is in my eye, or your eyes also, because you watched this video too. Oh gosh, this literally took me 30 minutes to install Windows 7. Well, my usual installing in VMware with Windows 7 is only about 15 or 20. In this 30 minutes, even though it is only 10 minutes or 15 minutes difference, it is still worth quite a time. So, setup is starting services, and I expect this is what it started to quote-unquote flop. Yes, that's where we want to see. So, this, because Windows XP to 7, you can't directly just modify all the stuff. So, what we're gonna do is summon the command prompt, and then we're going to regedit C, and we're going to HK local machine system, and then setup. We're gonna modify some values that are in here. So command line is going to cmd.exe. That's right there. 1. OB in progress is 0. And setup phase is to 0. Setup type to 0 also. And one of the last one is system setup in progress is 0. And upgrade to 0. And after this, we're going to restart this shutdown -R-T1. So it will restart it in anyway. Yes, it will restart. And then going to enter Windows 7, starting Windows, and I hope Windows 7 will come up as straight upgrade from Windows XP. And I don't think you can do this on the real machine, and I don't really think so. But the cursor, the Windows 7 preparing to configure Windows because it is updating. Configure Windows update 36%. Alright, we're gonna wait, or I'm gonna fast forward it. It is shutting down. Oh, it restarts again. And going to enter, and we're going to starting Windows again. And I hope probably it is in the 5th phase of the setup. Yes, as far as I know, and as far as I experience. Please wait. And oh, there it is! 3 user accounts. The admin is visible because it is from NT 3.51. The Ewin user account, and then the guest, which is from Windows XP. We're gonna log in. Oh gosh, I am so curious. Preparing your desktop. Gosh, I have never seen that experience before. Yes, we're booted into the desktop. We're gonna right click, screen resolution, and I'm gonna bump it up to, yes, native resolution for my laptop. and probably gonna install VMware tools, and well, probably we have to check out some of the programs that are from XP and from Windows NT 3.51, and I'm very feel bad to myself because I can't install the Windows Server 2003, and that is one of the most pathetic things that I've ever got. And the mouse, yeah, alright, Ewin. Yes, welcome. And there it is, the Windows 7 desktop. And can we get it into Aero? Perhaps? I hope so. And no, it can't. Bummer. So maybe we can check out some programs that are from Windows NT. Accessories, games, yeah. So all of the things that are in Windows NT 3.51 XP aren't kept. Oh gosh, this what a bummer. Oh yes, so there are so many things. Maybe we can go to users. No, into program files. Windows NT accessories. No, it's still the same. Tablet tech services. No. Oh gosh, what a bummer. Oh no, we can't keep the Windows XP stuff that exist. Oh gosh. Multimedia. I hope some of the assets from Windows XP is still kept. Web wallpaper. Oh, it's gone. It is gone. Totally. Oh, what a shame. Media. Oh no. It isn't kept anyway. Why? Oh no. At least the upgrade text. I hope it's still there. Ah yes, the upgrade text. Windows 7. So all programs that are from Windows NT is gone. Oh no, probably it is in System 32. Gonna explore it a bit. Card, C-A-R-D, C-E, no, card. Oh no, it is gone. For real? There's no other software? Like, what? Oh yeah, there is no any software. What? I literally pissed off. I literally pissed off right now. Why it isn't kept any? Oh, what a shame. So in conclusion, you can upgrade from Windows NT 3.51 to Windows XP to Windows 7. But the caveat is, once you upgrade to Windows XP to Windows 7, the best chance is you're not gonna get any apps from Windows XP kept in Windows 7, because as far as I experienced, it wiped out. Like, what the heck? Like, you know, there has to be card and clock. Oh yes, clock.exe. Oh yes, yeah. So the best scenario, you can't get any programs that are from XP kept in Windows 7. So I will do the part 2 of this in the next video with Windows Me to Windows 8. And you don't want to know how, but if you want to know some spoilers of how can I do that, be sure to check out Skye's video about the way that I do this, and also check out other video by NTDev and some thread on Beta Archive and some tweets, and I will link those in the description of this video. And be sure to like, share and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video of Everything Windows. That's for today. See you next time. Goodbye.